It's perfectly okay to not have many friends. Starting off on your own is often better than hanging out with the wrong people. Alone time can give you the chance to figure out what you really enjoy and what matters to you. Choosing to have a few good friends instead of many acquaintances is about prioritizing your happiness and mental well-being. Remember, being alone doesn't mean you're lonely. Sometimes it's a deliberate journey towards understanding yourself and forming meaningful connections when the time is right. If you're seeking exciting hobbies, looking to expand your social circle, or simply curious about personal growth, you've landed in the right place. Join me on this journey as we explore a myriad of activities, share stories, and build a community together. From discovering new passions to making meaningful connections, let's embark on a path of self-discovery and camaraderie. Hit that subscribe button and let the adventure begin. First 1. Explore your interests. Dive into activities you love, whether it's painting, dancing, or playing an instrument. It's a chance to connect with your passions and possibly meet others who share them. Join clubs or groups. Imagine finding a community that aligns with your hobbies. By joining clubs or online groups related to your interests, you're essentially entering spaces where you can bond with like-minded individuals over shared activities. Take up a new hobby. Imagine the excitement of learning something new. Join classes or groups for your chosen hobby, creating a space to improve your skills and make connections with those on a similar learning journey. Exercise. Consider the gym or a fitness class as a potential social hub. Staying active not only benefits your health, but also provides a chance to connect with others pursuing similar wellness goals. Meditate. Take some time for mindfulness and relaxation to recharge your mind. You can do it at home or join a class. For meditation, you can create a quiet and comfortable space. Sit or lie down, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale slowly, counting to 4, then exhale for another count of 4. Allow thoughts to come and go without judgment. You can also use guided meditation apps or videos for a more structured session, helping you relax, reduce stress, and promote mental well-being. Learn a language. Imagine the excitement of communicating in a new tongue. By using language learning apps or attending language exchange events, you're not just mastering a language. You're connecting with others on a global scale who share your passion for linguistic exploration. Listen to music or podcasts. Discover new music or learn something new from informative podcasts. Listening to music or podcasts is a versatile option. Explore different genres of music to suit your mood or discover podcasts on topics that interest you. Whether you prefer upbeat tunes to energize yourself or a thought-provoking podcast to stimulate your mind, this activity offers an enjoyable way to spend time alone. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Envision sharing your thoughts with the world. Starting a blog or YouTube channel not only allows you to express your passions, but also creates an interactive space where you can connect with a community that resonates with your content. Attend book clubs. Imagine delving into the world of literature with a group of avid readers. Joining a local or online book club is not just about discussing books. It's about connecting with fellow book enthusiasts, sharing perspectives, and forming bonds over a shared love for storytelling. Explore nature. Picture yourself surrounded by scenic landscapes with a group of fellow nature lovers. Joining hiking groups or nature clubs provides an opportunity to enjoy the outdoors while connecting with individuals who share your appreciation for the beauty of nature. Self-care day. Creating a self-care day can be a rejuvenating experience. Begin by dedicating time to pamper yourself. Start with a skincare routine, cleansing and moisturizing your face to promote a healthy glow. Follow up with a hair care session, whether it's a deep conditioning treatment or a soothing scalp massage. Consider incorporating activities like yoga or meditation for relaxation. Indulge in a nourishing meal, savoring each bite mindfully. Choose activities that bring you joy, whether it's reading a book, taking a bubble bath, or practicing a hobby. Embrace the power of self-reflection and gratitude during this day, allowing yourself to appreciate the present moment. By investing time in self-care rituals, you'll not only enhance your physical well-being, but also foster a positive and balanced mindset. Thank you for joining us on my channel today. The idea here is to encourage people positively. It's not about staying alone all the time, but rather choosing good friends over fake friends, and spend your alone time meaningfully. Remember, your journey matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this incredible adventure together. Until next time, stay true to yourself and embrace the extraordinary. Take care and see you soon.